fix Bluetooth is paired but it is not connected on Windows 10 or 11. So if you have a Windows device and your Bluetooth is paired but it shows that it is not connected, what are the things that you can do? So first you can open up settings. Then from settings you can go to Bluetooth and devices. Now right here you can see these are my past devices and they have been paired but currently they are not connected. So it basically means that you had paired with them before but right now you are not connected with that. So what you can try to do is just try to reconnect it again, or you can just click on the three dots, remove the device, three dots and remove the device, and then after that you can simply try to click on add device again and just reconnect the device, and hopefully that would help you solve the problem. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.